Welcome. As you all know, I am Chineye Lucy and I'm currently on my IT. So today I'll be talking about biomedical equipment. But before I forget, if you're currently doing your IT right now, I have not started filling your logbook. You're not doing yourself any good. So make sure to do that. Back to business. So I'll be talking about biomedical equipment. And just like the word biomedical, it is divided into two. We have bio and medical. Bio and medical. So I'll be talking about biological equipment. That bio there stands for biological. So I'll be talking about biological equipment as well as medical equipment. So today you have known that a biomedical engineer not only repair medical equipment but also a biological equipment. In essence, I'll be talking about the example of biological equipment and medical equipment so you know where it falls into. Okay? So, first of all, we'll be starting with biological equipment. Biological equipment are classified into heating equipment, cooling equipment, analytical equipment, optical equipment, and mechanical equipment. So, what are the example of these heating equipment? Heating equipment includes your oven, your incubator, your hot plates. All these are example of heating equipment. The next thing I'll be talking about is cooling equipment. One of the example of cooling equipment is refrigerator. Yeah, did that amaze you? Right? Yes. Refrigerator, in as much as it's something most of us have in our house, is also a biological equipment. Next thing I'll be talking about is optical equipment. Example of optical equipment is your microscope, your weighing balance. That's an example of optical equipment. We also have analytical equipment. Analytical equipment include your spectrophotometer, your pH meter, and your colorimeter. That's an example of optical equipment. Next, I'll be talking about is mechanical equipment. What are the example of this mechanical equipment? Example of these mechanical equipments include we have your homogenizer, we have centrifuge, we have magnetic stirrer, we have orbital shaker. These are the examples of mechanical equipment. And remember what I said, all these things falls under what? Biological equipment. The next thing I'll be talking about is medical equipment. Since we have gotten to know the examples and classification of biological equipment, I'll be moving next towards medical equipment. I know this is the part that interests a lot of people. Most biomedical engineers will think that we only focus on medical equipment, but that's not true. We repair, we maintain, we install, we develop both medical and biological equipment. So, going over to medical equipment, example of this medical equipment include the bed that is being used in the hospital. Yes, it's a medical equipment. We have MRI, we have ultrasound, we have X-ray machine. All these are what medical equipment and many more. Like there are a lot of them. These are just few examples of what medical equipment. If you're following this from the beginning, you remember that I said I'll be talking about what biological medical equipment, but most importantly, I'll be focusing on what heating equipment, their symbols, and what circuit diagram, the basic circuit diagram of every heating equipment. So going over to that, I've already given a list of examples of heating equipment, which is your incubator, your hot plates, and the rest of them. So what components of the basic components of heating equipment, what you will see and you'll be like, yes, this is a heating equipment. The components, what makes up heating equipment? The components of this heating equipment include, we have number one is what? We have timer, heating element, switch, light indicator, fuse, thermostat sensor. Both thermostats and thermostat sensor are what? They both fall under what? Temperature control systems. Okay. Next thing I'll be talking about are the symbols of this component. Yes, you have known the components of of heating equipment, but me and you know that you also love to see the symbols.
This that I'm drawing right now is called plug. Yes, I'm drawing the symbol of plug that have three pin. The upper pin is called earth and is being grounded. The left pin is called neutral, whereas the other pin is called line. The next symbol I'll be drawing is called heating element. It have the same symbol as resistance, but when it have a rectangular block like this, it simply means it is coated. The next one I'll be drawing is the symbol of fuse. Yes, this is the symbol of fuse. And the next one I'll be drawing is called switch. This is the symbol of switch. And the next one I'll be drawing is called timer. Yes, it's a circle with a switch symbol and a small t on top. That's timer. The next one I'm drawing right now is called thermostats. Thermostats have symbol of switch but capital T on top. Yes, let's draw the circuit diagram, the basic circuit diagram of heating elements. Yeah, this is the basic diagram. This small circle is the light indicator. The next circle I'll be drawing is also a light indicator. And this one I'm drawing right now with capital T shows is a timer, is a thermostat, sorry. Then the other one with small t is called what? Timer. Yes, there's a timer before the thermostat. And this first light indicator, it shows that current has starts passing through the device, whereas the second indicator shows that the machine have started working. Yes, they have started functioning. Yeah.
This is the end of this section, and right now you have known what biomedical equipment is all about. And in case you want to repair, you want to maintain, you want to buy, you are looking for people that develop all these equipments, you already know the people that handles it. So biomedical engineers handles all these equipments I've mentioned. They deal with fabrication, development, installation, repair, troubleshooting of all these equipments. It's always your girl, Chinelu.